Peace Squad, welcome back to this full stack course, building a digital marketing directory website, aka a Thumbtack clone. In this video, we will be continuing in our phase of design. In our last video, we went over the design for the detail view. In this video, we're going to go over what would be the design for like the landing page, or what could be like premium for like the detail profile. Okay, that's what we're going to go through in this. Now, this design is different than Thumbtack. This is from High Level Marketing, shout out to them. So this top row, this is their header row. So they have where you can call them, they have about them and the drop down. I like how simple and these icons. They have a partner in the drop down. They have a link to their blog, their portfolios, current clients, new clients. Okay, so that's like another like top like header row, and then right here is like a main nav. So they have their logo here, our solutions. I love how they have like solutions instead of like our services. I really like that. Implement that. Website design and development, search engine optimization, paid search, content marketing, social media management, local market reporting. I really like how they have that. How we help, love this. So case studies, portfolio, technology, who we help, love that. Healthcare. See, they have their niche, like they have their niche like that. Okay, and then this next one is like the hero section, like Mobile, Alabama. So Mobile's top digital marketing agencies. Perhaps for us, it might be like Houston or Atlanta, or it might be like the best one for businesses, depending on which one we're going to rank for. You need more visibility, get started. So we have a get started BTN right here and a contact us. Okay, so this is like right under the hero row, the next row. So this is like growing mobile businesses since 2009. So this is like where like all, I guess, the people they've helped. It's like a little icon, almost like little slides. So have like little icons. So we could probably create these and just have it be like all our clients that we've helped. And it's like, this is just like scrolled right here. This next section, okay, so you have like a video next to another div that has like a like H1, some big header, and some italicized under you deserve a better agency experience. Okay, and basically a word from the founder, and then you have that get started again. I love that. I love how they have get started there again. Gain a competitive advantage. Okay, love this. So we definitely can create these icons. I could at least create these icons here. I still want to have the words on our page just so that like the search engines pick it up. Okay, so gain insights on your competition. Love that. We have exclusive technology. Love that. Unmatched agency transparency. HLM has industry specialists. Custom digital strategies forum from HLM. Cool. We're focused on data-driven results. Love this. This is another big thing that I'm going to start emphasizing for Lemon Squeeze, is that we're focused on data-driven. Love that. Very well done. So you're off right here. Cool. Growing Google reviews. Get started. Cool. Very similar right here. Stuff with pictures on the left and the text is on the right. Custom digital marketing strategies. Grow leads. I love this. Grow leads and sales, and that's big and bold. So that's like a div right here with an image, and then you have like a smaller header, maybe like an H4 probably, and then you have like an H2 or H1 right here, probably H2. And then right here we have like our paragraph text, and then look at this. These are probably their keywords. So content marketing, boom. Paid media, website design, SEO. Those are all the things that Lemon Squeeze Marketing also does. Request a free website and SEO analysis. That's something I would highly recommend Lemon Squeeze Marketing starts doing as well. So that's really amazing right here. Mobile performance marketing agency, track your results. Managing a small business can be overwhelming. Okay, so they talk about their technology they offer. So what we can do as far as like expert data solutions, like we help with creating remarkable dashboards, and that's something that we can have Lemon Squeeze Marketing like really emphasize on their website. They're powered by us, so I really like that they have that there. We're offering the same solutions, so that's really good to know that Lemon Squeeze Marketing is like offering the same solutions as their competition. We just need to design and drive more traffic there. Okay, digital marketing results you can rely on. Love that. That is really, really good. So then you have like your social proof right here. So they both have their reviews, have real projects they worked on. This is really powerful. Home services, so they have how they increase leads by 37%. Like that's really good. One of the things that Lemon Squeeze has right now is like this huge detail about the marketing campaigns when really they could probably just consolidate it to being this, like the results that they ended up producing. And it just being like little cards like this. I really like that. This is super cool. This is super cool. Okay. Mobile digital marketing agency. Work with a team that delivers better leads. This might. I'm trying to see if this is a. Oh, these are different categories that they work in. Okay, cool. They have their little. They have the location. Another just strong, bold statement about why you should trust them. Fuel your growth with proven digital marketing services from HLM Mobile. Okay, I really like this. We're definitely gonna at least probably design some cards. And so we can get a developer like actually put this here. So this is cool. Website design. So they have exactly what they do, and they do the exact same thing that Lemon Squeeze Marketing does. So website design, they have so you have some cards here. We have an icon, the label of it, brief description, and then some LIs. Basically, give it a description of it. Website services. This is probably like the detail service. So this is probably another page we're gonna need. Local SEO. Love that. Content marketing. And then paid media PPC. Cool, super cool. And then they have their frequently asked questions. That's super dope. Um, yeah, I can see why they rank. This is done well. This is definitely going to be the model for the detail. Then you have right here, get started again. Love they have that again, emphasizing that again. You have this nice friendly face here, ready to discuss your next project and online potential, super dupe. And then they have their footer row. Okay, so guys, this is going to be the design of like Lemon Squeeze Marketing's like main landing page, or also as they offer other digital marketing agencies to be a part of their directory, what they could do is say, hey, this page is free. If you want the equivalent of like this page designed for you, they can just upcharge from there. But this is the design part for the for tech. So this is what we're going to design for our landing page slash like the premium detail of a digital marketer. Okay, and our next video, what we're going to do is actually go over one of the blog posts that we need to have that's included on the site. So far we've seen the designs of what the directory should look like and then the landing detail. But we need to also have content that's going to drive traffic to Lemon Squeeze marketing site. So we need to design for them a page, basically like a blog post page that they can use to also drive more traffic to their website. So that's the design we're going to go over in our next tutorial. All right. Be sure you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Peace.